Hello and welcome to my channel, English Conversation Practice. Here we're going to focus on spoken English. In every lesson we will look at a short conversation and try to understand it. Lesson 4. How to make a telephone call. What time is it? Hi Sarah, it's Adam.
Oh, hi, Adam.
I'm finishing my work early today. I was thinking, let's take the children out somewhere.
Why don't we go to a restaurant? We haven't eaten out with the children for a long time.
That's a great idea. The children will be happy.
Which restaurant should we go to?
How about an Italian restaurant? The children enjoyed that last time.
Yes, you're right. What about the Pizza Dome?
Yes, that's a really nice place. The food is very tasty there.
What time shall we go?
Can you all be ready at 7:30? I'll reserve our table for 8.
Okay, we'll be ready.
Okay, see you later then.
What time is it? We are going to be late.
It's 7:45. We're on time. Don't panic.
But I thought we had to be at the restaurant by 8 for the reservation. We'll never make it there with all this evening traffic.
Don't worry. We'll get there on time. Rush hour is almost over. Anyway, I think I'll help with directions. Can you call the restaurant and ask them where we can park our car?
Okay, I'll phone them now.
Points to think about. Hi Sarah, it's Adam. This is a casual and friendly way to say hello on the phone. Although means it is used to mean I am here. It's 7:45. This phrase is one of the most common ways of stating the time. It means it's 15 minutes to 8 o'clock. Another way here is to simply say it's 7:45. In general, you can say it's 1:15. How do we know the time of day? Look at the context. Evening traffic. In the dialogue, Adam and Sarah are going to a restaurant. They need to be on time because they have reserved their table. Therefore, there is some urgency. Is stressed for time. You can use expressions like, don't worry, we're fine, we will be on time. I hope you enjoyed that. Try practicing with a friend. Remember to focus on pronunciation. Thank you for watching. Write your comments below and tell me what you think. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the latest video.